Same trim. It's the same stuff that I was messing around with. I still have to fix it over here. See, it goes along the grass. It's wherever this brick pavers are. See how it's up? It's actually up too high there, and it's up slightly too high there too, right? So, and I was going to get ready to fix this one. Remember, this was pushed way out, and I had to fix these bricks, and I didn't want to fix it until I had to recompact that. I couldn't recompact that just then because I took a big old huge root out. The root was underneath that. Remember, I had to take all these out. If you didn't watch those videos, you probably should watch those, because this was all dug out so that I could get this out of here, and that was messing up my sprinkler, and I had to fix the sprinkler. In order to fix the sprinkler, I had to move all this, and all because that sprinkler head wasn't popping up. I thought I would just replace the sprinkler head. Ultimately, I didn't have to reinstall install a new sprinkler head at all. All I had to do was fix this. I had to take that out, cut out all these roots. This whole side caved out. I had to pull the nails. I pulled one, two, three. I got nails removed all the way from there. 2 of those nails went into roots that were down below there that I had to get out. And this is still up too high. See there? It's up higher than that. And the grass lifted up. Look how high the grass is. See how high the grass is from the brick pavers? It's not supposed to be like that. See, this metal trim is still there. If you look under here, it's still there, isn't it? It keeps going along there. That should be flush with the bricks. The reason why that grass is up so high, see how it's high all the way up, all the way over to here. The reason why is because this big old root had come down, had mashed this, had messed up on both sides of the sprinkler, had come across here. I lifted this grass up and fixed that, and I cut that big root. The root's still about this big, right in here. And it was growing along here. I took that out. So now my next phase is, when I get ready, I'm going to have to skin the grass from here over to there, roll it up in strips, boom, 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 in strips, roll it up to about there. Okay, up to about there. Take that back, take out the rest of the root. Even though the root is dead, it's pushed the grass way up high. I want to get that fixed. Okay, I want this grass to come almost flush, a little bit higher than the bricks. I have to look over here, see how, actually look how high the grass is on this side. My word. And but I still want to fix this area. Okay, I want to make it so that the grass is maybe 3/8 to ½ inch higher than the bricks right in here. Okay, in order to do that, I've got to skin this back. I'm going to take the roots out. There's a root that goes this way, and then this other root dive bombs and goes along here. That one's still probably about that big, right along there. That way I can fix that, dig the dirt out, remove the edging, or I might be able to fix the same edging, not even have to take it out. Okay, I know this one here, I still have to fix it. See how it's away there? See the gap there? I'm gonna try to make that flush. And see, this is not even nailed. I knew I was gonna have to work on this. Okay, and then once I take the grass up to there, I can take this piece and maybe slide it down a little bit and free up this. Or in fact, you see that gap right there? Look where this goes here at the end. If I take that, if I loosen this whole thing up, lower it down, I can move it to the left 1/2 inch, 5/8 of an inch, fill up that void right there, see it? Okay, fill up that void, lower that down, fix that flush, and have it just a hair higher than the brick or something, as long as it's the same all the way along there. Then I can fix that. See how the drain has pushed down at an angle? Well, that's because the root has pushed into here, smashed that down. The root goes over the top of this, pushed that down, lifted the grass up, made this kind of go down. I can fix all that. This grass should be only maybe 1/2 inch or so above this drain. So that way I can lift the drain back up. I can, when I skin this back, take the roots out, skin some dirt back, recontour this area right in here, so the water is gonna kind of come down off of here into this drain better, so that the drain will look better. That just looks tacky. 25-year-old landscaping, what do you expect? But I'm gonna fix it. Okay, but that's how this metal trim is supposed to look. Okay, well, when you come back over here, you look at that. This first piece looks halfway decent, right? Not the next piece. It's pooched out, it's getting wider there, it even gets wider here. It's folded down, it's pushed down. This one's folded over. You see, doesn't it make sense to fix all this before I redo all the landscaped area over here, because I have it all torn up. Had I not had it torn up, I still could have moved the rocks back, dug this up, and done a number on here. Rebend it. I'll just have to see. If I have to take this whole piece out, I'll take it out, reshape it, do whatever I have to do. And I'm lucky enough that it comes in joints. See, there's a joint there, and then the next there's probably another joint in here somewhere. Yeah, right there. See right there. So each one of these pieces is maybe 4 feet, but then other pieces like this piece here is probably 8 feet. Then they took a smaller piece, and then they probably had some little pieces left from the other side of the driveway, let's say, and they're trying to use up their scrap. You know what I mean? And so, yeah, I think I'm going to work on that next. It's just no two ways about it. I want to get this fixed, and I want it to look right. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And hey, the more videos you watch, the more you learn, and the more you save. At least that's my hope. See you tomorrow.